Okay. Aggressively short, could have got a better entry. We'll enter again here. I like the breakout of the 50 XMA. So there's a lot of things I liked about this. Unfortunately, we didn't get the quick follow through to the downside. We had a nice structural head and shoulders pattern. Let's see what ends up happening here. Could have got a better initial entry. It's a pretty good topping area. It's just a matter of whether it's ready to roll over now or not. Watching for a possible short opportunity in gold as well. Okay, we got profit target 1 off the table here. I added on to that trade in crude oil, and we got a profit target 1 off the table in crude. So now we have very little at risk. Tightening my stop. Basically, if I get stopped out now, it'll be a net break even. I may extend my target on this one. Come on, baby, roll down. Let's catch a runner on this one. It may not be ready to go, guys, but if it does, I think we can get a little bit bigger bang for our buck here. So the way I'm set up, if I get stopped out on this one, it basically uses up the profit I took on my other target, so it'll be a net break even. And if we're fortunate and this breaks down below this prior pivot low, we should be able to get a nice little run to the downside off of decent structure. Less than 8 minutes to the NYSE open. We're trying. Come on, baby, take it down. It's trying. It's at the lows. Breaking out a little bit. So definitely not the emphasis I would have hoped for. Still could get the job done. Obviously, overall, we got a higher level uptrend. There's still room for this bigger pullback down to that DPTL. It's not quite as good as I had envisioned as far as the prospects of getting a strong move down. It's a more minor initial pattern, but it can definitely happen here. I like the lower high on the action line we talked about. All right, we're trying now. +5, +6, and that's from the come on, baby. All right, because we're struggling more than I would like, I'm going to put my target in front of the higher time frame line instead of going for the little bit more of a home run here. And I'm just going to take a win because I'm sick of it. Oh, man. Ugly and painful. Could be because of the proximity to the NYSE Open, possibly. Making things a little bit more sluggish. All right, guys, I took 4 ticks, and the reason I did it basically is to preserve the win from earlier, and I will just wait for something better.